Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the serene and the secure neighborhood of Mount View Estate, Spanish Town. This beautifully maintained 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom, 2-story home offers the perfect blend of comfort, elegance, and functionality. As you approach the property, you are greeted by a manicured lawn with lush greenery and carefully trimmed edges that create a warm and inviting curb appeal. Step inside to discover a spacious sunken living room featuring high impact windows that fill the space with natural light. The recessed layout adds character and creates a cozy atmosphere, perfect for family gatherings or quiet evenings. Each of the 4 bedrooms is generously sized. The primary suite boasts a walk in closet and a spa like bathroom for ultimate relaxation. The home comes equipped with air conditioning units in key areas, keeping you cool and comfortable throughout the year. For peace of mind, a modern security camera system is installed, offering round the clock surveillance and enhanced safety. This property has easy access to nearby schools, shopping centers, hospitals, and major roadways, making it a prime choice for families or professionals seeking comfort and security. Call today to arrange viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 55 million, US 348.6 thousand, Canadian 499,000, Euro 320.2 thousand, or 270.9 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.